Most dentists think high-ticket patients choose a clinic because of credentials, technology, or how many implants they place per month. But here's the truth. None of that matters unless your message makes a patient feel understood, safe, and hopeful again. You don't attract high-value patients by proving how good you are. You attract them by showing how good their life will become after working with you. If your marketing is focused on you, you will always compete on price. But if your marketing is focused on them, you will always win on value. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to attract more high-ticket patients for treatments like All-on-X, implants, clear aligners, and veneers, and I will show you how to do it without lowering your prices, without chasing leads, and without overwhelming patients with complicated dental terms. This comes from analyzing dozens of practices, thousands of patient conversations, and real campaigns that consistently generate high-value patients every single month for our clients. And here's the secret. High-ticket dental patients don't chase the best dentist. They choose the dentist who best communicates their pain, their desires, and their fears. Now let's break it down. Stop focusing on what you do and start focusing on how you help them. Most practices talk about themselves. We use advanced technology, we offer personalized care, we have great customer service, and we've been in the business for over 25 years. Your patients hear that and feel nothing, because every dentist says the exact same thing. Think about the last 3 to 4 months. Which patients did you genuinely enjoy treating? And think about what are the ones where you said, I wish every patient was like this. And now ask yourself, what did they have in common? Why did they choose you? What were they worried about? What you will discover is this. Your favorite patients didn't choose you because of your fancy equipment or your degree. They chose you because they believe you could help them achieve the desired outcome. People don't buy treatments, they buy transformations. And your patients don't want implants, they want their life back. This is one of the biggest mistakes in dental marketing. Most dentists focus on the procedure, but patients don't care about the technical stuff. They care about what their life will look like after the treatment. Their internal dialogue sounds like this. I want to smile again without embarrassment. I want to eat normally again. I'm tired of hiding my teeth in photos. I don't want to feel pain anymore. Or I'm scared and I need someone I can trust. I want to feel confident around people again. So speak their language, not the technical dental language. Instead of explaining the entire procedure step by step, paint the emotional picture. Say things like, imagine smiling in every photo again. Imagine walking into a restaurant and ordering anything that you want. Imagine looking in the mirror and finally liking how you look. Imagine waking up without tooth pain. This is what patients buy. They buy confidence, they buy function, freedom, comfort, identity, trust, and emotional relief. Technology can support their choice. Credential can support their choice. But emotion creates the choice. One of the most powerful things you can use is patient stories. The research from Stanford shows this clearly. People are 22 times more likely to remember a story than a fact. Why? Because stories help people imagine themselves in that situation. So instead of saying, we provide high quality implant treatments, say something like, we had John in a similar situation with yours. He hadn't smiled in photos for 12 years, he was scared, ashamed, and didn't know if he could afford treatment. Today, he's eating steak, laughing with confidence, and told us he feels 15 years younger. That's the difference. Stories break fear, stories build trust, and stories activate emotion. If you don't have enough stories yet, start collecting them starting today. Start asking every patient, what was your biggest fear before starting treatment? Why did you decide to move forward with us? What was your life like before the treatment? How is your life now? Or what would you say to someone who's in the same position you were in? Record their answers and use them everywhere. In your ads, your emails, your website, your social media, and your consultation room. Messaging psychological principle. Help them visualize the best version of themselves. If you only take one thing from this video, take this. People take action when they can clearly visualize the emotion they will feel once the problem is gone. Humans buy emotionally and they justify it logically. When someone feels, this is my moment, I can't keep living like this dentist understands me, this is the solution I've been waiting for, they take action immediately. Your job is to guide them to that moment through messaging. You don't sell implants, you're selling a life where the pain, the embarrassment, the limitations are gone. This is the difference between a practice that gets price shoppers and a practice that gets committed, high-ticket patients. Now, let's talk about the we versus you test. Take a moment after this video and look at your website, your landing pages, your social media posts, your ads, and your emails. Look at your messaging and count how many times you use the word we. We offer, we are specialized, we provide, we are committed, we use the latest technology. This is dentist-centered messaging. High-ticket patients need patient-centered messaging. You will finally be able to eat normally again. You don't have to hide your smile anymore. You deserve a dentist who listens. You can transform your confidence in just a few visits. You are not alone. We help people who feel exactly like you every single day. Brand messaging is not about sounding pretty. It's about sounding relevant, specific, and emotionally aligned with your audience. So, what makes a message resonate? There are three elements behind high converting brand messaging. The first one is relevance. Speak directly to a specific type of patient, not everyone. For example, people missing most of their teeth, adults embarrassed by their smile, patients who are scared of the pain, people who try dentures and hate them. The second one is specificity. Avoid generic terms. Explain the result using real-world examples. Instead of "we offer great customer service," say things like you will never wait more than 10 minutes for your appointment. We explain every step so you always know what's happening. Specificity builds trust. The third one, emotion. Always connect to how they feel. Instead of "we use advanced technology," say "you will finally feel safe and confident in your decision." Relevance plus specificity plus emotion equal conversion. If you want us to help you attract 10 to 30 high-ticket patients every single month using strategic messaging, emotional positioning, and our full patient acquisition system, there's a link in the description to book a call with us. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.